Hey, what's up guys? I'm Arnav here back again with yet another video, and it's been some time since I've uploaded some videos, and I've also been receiving many comments saying that I'm not uploading videos very consistently. So I've planned to sketch out some video upload schedule for my channel, and more on that in the later part of the video. And before that, if you end up liking this video, do consider smashing the like button, and hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red color subscribe button below, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get all the updates in our channel. Now let's see the video. So as I said, I'm going to change some video upload schedules in my channel. I am going to upload 3 videos a week, and which will be from Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and 4 PM in these days. And I've also divided some topics among these days. On Monday, I'll be uploading videos about a particular product, I mean any rumors and leaks or something like that, or a particular product's review. And on the next day, which is Wednesday, I'm going to upload videos which is only coming up to a minute, 60-second video, which is very special because that video is going to be about tech news. Yeah, and that episode will be called as Quick Tech News, where I'm going to bring you the most of the tech news in just a minute. So that video will be really small. And the last day, Friday, I'm going to upload videos about tips and tricks on smartphones, tutorials, something like that. So this will be my video schedule. I repeat again, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 4 PM. And today is Monday, so I just made this video randomly to just inform you that I'm going to upload videos on this schedule. And if there is any opinion for you guys in order to change the days or the time of the uploads, you can certainly give a comment below in the comment section. And if you end up liking this video, do consider smashing the like button, subscribe to our channel, share this video to everyone. And that's it for today's video. Till the next video, this is Arnav signing off. Peace.